What's up, you guys? I'm Johnny.
I'm Lexi.
And we are Blood Bucket. We realized that we do not have an intro for the video you're about to watch. The premise of the video is just overly complicated solutions to very simple problems.
Or you can say higher solutions.
Exactly. And we are just trying to fit a Firestick into our friend's TV. That's the premise. This is the intro. We might make more stuff like this.
Let us know what you want to see, and don't forget to Bubscribe.
Yeah, Bubscribe. Become a fan bucket and join the army.
Fuck you.
I don't know if we should have "fuck you" in the.
No, you need to cut
Lexi,
this.
I think you're right.
No. Guys, no one's
No,
fucking
God
listening
damn.
to me.
So
The
the
lighting is
original idea
horrible.
was to cut into the back of my TV so the fire stick could stick with a knife.
No. The original idea was to just straight blow.
Oh yeah. I actually had such a better idea when my knife. Let's fucking go.
Okay.
Oh, can I turn on this light? Does this light
That
work?
light does not turn on. Okay.
Wait, can someone give me their phone so I can use a flashlight?
Mine's about to die, so it's gonna be.
Johnny, give me your phone.
What? What do you need?
I need your flashlight.
Unplug the whole TV, actually.
The lighting sucks in here. Do you want a sucky video?
Fine.
Look at the back of the TV too.
Oh.
So do you see what I'm saying though? Because like this thing, try putting it in. This was Johnny's reenacting me earlier.
Man, I'm Carlos, and I just don't know anything about physics. Okay, I see where the problem is. Can't wedge
How
it.
the
Nurse,
fuck?
pass me the scalpel.
Oh, fuck.
You're in the
She's
doctor's
like
room
in
right
the
now.
way.
Cool.
More quality content. Oh, fuck.
This is working out so well.
Dude, I don't know how I'm gonna clean this.
Alcohol's probably.
This knife was a gift from Logan too. Logan's gonna see this
Oh my
and be
God.
pissed.
What if there's like some important computer piece underneath
Dude,
there?
that's literally what I was also just thinking. You need to get the fuck out of my head, dude.
The warranty is so not gonna be covered. Oh, there you go. Don't put that hot piece of plastic on the table, the wooden table. You need
Fine.
to
Just a
that-
little bit, like bop bop bop.
Yeah. Oh, dang. Ooh.
You just need to just
I
cut
can't wait to see how you guys edit this. It'll be so funny.
this little tiny part right there. No, to the left more.
I'm gonna start going at it like that.
No.
Honestly,
It
if you
needs
just
to
stick
be-
the tip of the knife in and then bend that part backwards, it would probably work.
No, you need to cut
Lexi,
this.
I think you're right.
No. Guys, no one's
No,
fucking
God
listening
damn.
to me.
Okay,
Is it not
same.
fit?
This little part right here, you just need to
Blocking it.
cut this little part off.
This.
Yes! And you said a little wider, right?
Yeah, just hold on.
Honestly,
You're going the wrong way.
I know. I'm just trying to clean that corner up over there.
Honestly, that way doesn't even need to be cut off anymore.
I'm just trying to make it look nice.
He's just trying to make it look nice.
Shit.
Test her out. Try putting it to the other end first.
This needs to just be cut a little bit deeper. That's a lot of smoke. No, that's definitely
Oh, God, that's
straight plastic.
toxic.
It's going straight in your mouth.
Open the fucking window! Oh my god!
Oh my fucking god, it's toxic.
Oh,
in here.
God.
I think it just needs to be a little bit to the left.
All right, guys. Everybody put on your masks one more time.
What? We don't have
Did we
any
forget?
masks.
Fuck this. I don't
Okay.
know why I'm only using the tip.
Oh god, I just inhaled so much fucking plastic. Nice work.
That's why it'd be funny. I think she'd cry.
Look at those.
Yeah, this worked out a little too well.
Let's go!
No way! See, guys, it's really simple.
It really just worked out.
You can make anything work if you try hard enough.
And it looks damn good.
And it only costs
fucking
us
damn good.
2 knives. It's plugged in, so light's on. Means confirmed.
Green means confirmed.
It's blue, but yeah.
Oh,
Are you colorblind?
no, but he is.
Where's the blue?
Is it gonna work?
Let's go!
Hell yeah.
Fucking talking about, dude.
Confirmed.
Myth
The knives
busted.
made a worthy sacrifice. Yeah, that is fucked up.
It's alright though. Now we can watch our favorite YouTubers. That's it. I think this is good. I think we have this. I think we can work with both videos.
Okay.